Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to only allow friends to follow you on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Public Posts. Step 7. Next to Who Can Follow Me, click on the button to open it. Step 8. Select Friends from the available options. That's it. You have successfully set your Facebook profile to only allow friends to follow you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.